Oh my sweetness! Just went to the store, found some nice speakers. I've been eyeing these ones up for a long time, and they're finally on sale. Because everything's so expensive nowadays. So I got these Kanto YU4 speakers, and I'm gonna open up the box and let's see what's inside. Oh man, thank you for choosing Kanto. I was playing with these speakers in London drugs and they sounded amazing, so I just had to buy them. We got the manual. I wanted white for my theme, but sometimes we may not always get what we want when things are on sale. But these speakers are nice and they're heavy. Ooh. Ooh, they would come. Oh, this is nice. They would come in a cloth. You ready for this? Oh, look at those. Those are beautiful. I have to be careful, I don't want to drop these. It's nice. Optic out for 1, 2, sub out, which is really cool because I'm gonna eventually get a sub for this, a really nice one. I do have a soundbar that has a powered sub attached to it, but it's a wireless powered sub, so it's not gonna work for this application, but that's fine. Because it just means I gotta go buy more stuff. Let's see what's in this little box. Ooh, nice. Oh, cool. That should give you like speaker wires. That's pretty nice. Oh, and some batteries. And the remote, which is pretty sweet if you ask me. Some little cushion stoppers. So yeah, the only problem I'm gonna have now is that my computer desk, I don't really have the space for these, because my desk is already like packed with monitors and all the streaming stuff. So this is gonna be pretty interesting to see how I'm gonna fit these. Fortunately, they're black. I wanted white to go with my theme, but hey, beggars can't be choosers though. So I mean, like, these are really nice. Now that we've got the speakers all hooked up, let's do a sound test and see what you guys think. They sound way better in person than what the camera's picking up though, trust me. As you can see, they sound totally badass and totally nice. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll check you guys on the flip side.
Put your mouth and tilt it this way. Other way. Like.
Put your mouth over the whole hole. Stop. Go. Drink. Yep. Down.
Oh my god! Oh. Oh my god, your mom's gonna kill us.
That's at work.
This is a mess.
Sorry, dude. I'm dropless. She's gonna kill you.
I'm dropless too. I got a drop on my boobs. That's it.
Gary, you never done this before?
I've never shotgun any.
Are you fucking
drink.
kidding? Alright, you're going party with us now.
Gary, wanna come to the club?
Yeah.